Hi dear students, I am Ampesh, CKS Dear students, today we are discussing the very important, very valuable lesson. The valuable lesson is there is done by the here the title of the lesson. This was the 10th standard in the 10th standard second language. Second lesson, the lesson title is there is done by the title. So before going to the lesson, first we learn the about the author. So here there is done by the track is written by Devan Kalan. Devan Kalan. Author is Devan Kalan. He was born in 1930 and he was born in Tamil Nadu. He was a very famous writer and writer in English, and he writes many short stories, a poet in English, stories in English, and for he was a very familiar in journalism, and he wrote many magazines and then other familiar articles. So Devan Kalan was a very famous writer in English, especially Tamil Nadu. So he was the author of There's Girl by the Fire. Dear students, here this sentence is observe. Here Evans mark. What is this? This is an exclamation mark. Yes, very good. It's an exclamation mark. So let's we deal with the new lesson. The lesson is There's Girl by the Fire. When you heard this title of the lesson, you are you think about yes, good. Oh, nothing is happened in that lesson. Oh, it's a. Are you curious? Have to listen to curiosity. Are you have curiosity about to read the story in this lesson? Yes, absolutely. Yes, this is a very important story. We are all follow or read and followed that story. We are remembering the story sometime. Assume that. So we are. It's a time of the motto of this story is, dear students. The motto of this story is to imbibe the value of the compassion among the leaders. So that means, what is the motto of this lesson? To imbibe the value of compassion among the readers. So sometimes we are today we are many of the people we are seeing saw they were very busy in they are very busy to on the road, on the park, in the park, on the bus stand, and then everywhere because of today the world is very mechanical life. So they are always listen and see the sweeping the mobiles. So sometimes it is happened to spoil our life, but we are not to have any care. That type of the activities are not in the other roads. So sometimes we are riding the bikes, switch on our mobiles. So sometimes our road we are crossing the roads. So sometimes there was an incident happened. So we are already seeing the bus stand and then railway stations, airport. You see that. But what happening, dear students, when you are I am telling to you, when we are returned to home or then on the way of road to come home, so there is one incident happened. What to say? So that a person was laying in the pool of blood, laying on the pool of blood. So he was alone. Suddenly a vehicle was hit and gone. So he was met with an accident. So what we say? So that type of incident happened with an accident. Suddenly we can't see, we can't imagine, because a person is crossing the roads. Sometimes we are careless about the vehicle series come fastly and hit by him. So that why. So this is a moral lesson. This is a compassion lesson. that we need some help to those who are in danger. So we have the value of the humanity and helpness, and we are sharing the happiness and sorrows to the other, because the laying of the person is a person is laying person was in the danger. So the unknown persons or a stranger helped to them, and so he admitted to the hospital and saved the life of that person. This type of the human values we have to today, because all the people are very fast and they are very what we say, they are very busy talking and interaction. So we are not seeing. So this happened. These are all common in our surroundings and in our in the road. So that we keep what we keep in our minds. So accidents happen by our mistakes. What we say? Accident happen by our mistakes and our carelessness. So we to see or listen or ride a bike. Sometimes our parents are say to me, you also don't go fast, don't ride fastly, you go slowly, but we can't listen, we are neglected, we are ignore that their suggestions. Sometimes we are what happened we are in difficulties, so we are lost their lives. So after the whole family was suffered. Yes, students, when this lesson is the motto is we share the happiness and sorrows, and we save save those who are suffering from it. And we have to maintain the good qualities of the human beings. So we help to someone. So that type of the qualities we have to learn in this lesson. That lesson is there is a tract which was written by Devan Kalam. So he was a very famous writer in English. So this lesson here I got some of the picture of here. So there is a one word is nobody dare to go where there is a youngster's dead. Dare means courage. Sometimes we say we are understood in first lesson. So the first lesson is also a humorous lesson. So here there is a one proverb: courage is everything, nothing. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Here some of our youngsters. So here youngsters are one of the important character in this lesson. That the character was Baleshwar Mishra. So he was an youngster, but he had to dare and courage. So he saved one's girl life. So that type of he did, and he was appreciated by everybody. So sometimes our children are dare to where they are courage in some in many things. So but we appreciated them. Like here this lesson has to be a very unknown person or a stranger person to save somebody's life. So that's why there is no relations, there is no friendship, but he was have the good humanity, human nature or helping nature. So that quality are reveals in this lesson. So especially there are named 2 or 3 characters comes in it here. So look at the picture here. This is a big city called Mumbai. So Mumbai is a metropolitan city. This is the railway stations. Suburban is beside the town outside the city also. So this is the railway platform. So this is Indian Railway. So here the railway engine. These are all the coaches. So the people who are daily traveling from one place to another place. Here a city that is called Pune. So it is there are so many people who are rushing to travel or they are travel daily to Bombay for their works and then jobs and then commercial purpose and they were went to buying and selling for this metropolitan city. We are already know that this is a very populated city. Some of the important metropolitan cities are there in our India. So the Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Madras, Chennai. So these are all the heavy, densely populated cities. So there is a crowd and there is a huge crowd and there is a huge vehicles. Sometimes these huge vehicles are hit by some are met by an accident. So that's why. So this is a very recent story happened December 10 and 2010. So this is a real story happened in December 10, 2010. So the Devan Kalam explained this girl by the tracks through his intention, what we have, why our people are losing their lives, why our people are taking so many risks and so many problems. So they are sometimes they are doing. We are all doing when we return to our home on the way. Some people are met with an accident, laying on the road and full of blood, but no one can help. So what we do? So we do. What we do? What we feel? What was your how you react with an accident? Do you know? So when people were also, some people were also coming to help that time and that situation. Some people were calling to Oyo, like murmuring. Sometimes some people were also cruel people are to come and take their videos and then mobiles, taking the pictures. Some people were dare to come and take their help them and take to the hospital to admit and give them treatments and save their life. Some people were also calling them calling to the one ambulance. Some people were also calling the police and give them information. There is an accident happened here. So we are all seeing in our bus stop and railway stations and then in the marketplaces on the road when we are crossing the road. So some accident suddenly happened. Accident means suddenly the surprise incident happened. So sometimes it's we are safe. Oh, what we say? Oh, God bless you. Save my life. Sometimes there are many people who have lost their lives and some of them hit by and gone some vehicles. So there is no information. So the people are suffering a lot. So hence this lesson is to send a message to you or reveals the story of how a stranger person helps you or save the unknown girl. So the unknown girl is here was laying on the track. So why she was laying on the track? She was met an accident. What accident? The railway accident. Where she was on the railway tracks. Do you know? You are in railway platforms. There is a huge crowd when the trains comes to the railway platform. The huge crowd. People are getting to the train. So sometimes it's happened to some of the difficulties also. So we are all seeing that. So we have to maintain. We are all to keep the more concentrations. Sometimes we are taking in careless care of our lives also. So that lessons is the various development track written by Devan Kanam. So I first read the lesson here. First, there are before going to the lessons, there are few characters comes, and the main characters are, one is the girl. The girl was Roma Thalreja. His name was Roma Thalreja. So another one was a strange unknown personality, that is Baleshwara Mishra. Who was Baleshwara Mishra? Why? How he was reacted when the girl was laying on the hit by the railway track, laying on the railway track. So no one couldn't help she, but he is a youngster. Hence we say nobody dare to go where these youngsters did. Sometimes their youngsters are taking this type of the challenges and save their many lives. So they avoided Rashtrapati, avoided by the Rashtrapati. So you have that type of the qualities or the habits in your life. So I say to you in this lesson. So the main character is Roma Thalreja. Let's we know who was Roma Thalreja, where she was, what was their why the qualification, what is she's qualifications, and then Roma was Baleshwara Mishra. Another one character is Dinesh Thalreja, and another one was a cop. A cop means a police officer or a police constable, and another one was a transport driver. So these are all characters comes in, and one of the compassion character is Vijay. He was, there is no dialogues in this session. Vijay was a fiancé of Roma Thalreja. So these are all the characters. But we see who was Roma Thalreja and what Roma Thalreja was. She was a 21 years old girl. She was an BCom graduate. She was daily traveling from Pune to Bombay for. She worked in the city of Bombay. So daily she worked. So a person who worked one place daily for his work, that is commuters. So what we say, who are commuters? So Roma was commuters. She worked in the Mumbai city. So she traveled from Pune to Mumbai through the railway. So we know in Mumbai there is a huge crowd or the densely populated city. So everywhere we know the huge crowd of the population. So there is no rules and regulations. Sometimes we are facing many problems also. So Roma Thalreja was a BCom graduate and a very wise and brilliant girl. She was and he worked in the under executive manager. She was in charge by the call center. Call center means she put a phone and called to the customers. And she explained the commodities and the contract between the contract to the entrepreneurs to customers. So and he explained the how we are taking the charges and how you buy them your commodities. So this is to be a call center. She was communicated with the customers and people. So she was very brilliant and she was very talented. She was a BCom graduate and she was young. She was daily travel from Pune to Mumbai. She was working in the Mumbai, and she was a very working in executive work. So the call center work is part of the executive work. So she always contact with very many people, and she had one brother. His name was Dinesh Mishra, and and she was loved with the PNC of Vijay, and but sometimes she is traveling through the train. It's a horrible to travel because in the train of Mumbai, so the huge population, we already understood that, we are all seeing in the papers and newspapers. So this is the main character, and the second one character is the Baleshwar Mishra. Baleshwar Mishra was a 20 years old boy, and he was a dropout student, and he came from Bijapur, Uttar Pradesh. So he was settled in Mumbai. He came to Mumbai for searching the job, but he was having good person. So he had a helping nature, and he was a very bold and very expensive man, and he was staying in the Mumbai, and he was searching for Mumbai, but he was a very young, but he had a good qualities of good quality of kindness, helpfulness, and then simplicity, and these are all the qualities have in Baleshwar Mishra. So another one of the characters, Rama's brother was Dinesh. He was a businessman. He was opening a shop outside the city of Mumbai. So he traveled, he rode his bike and returned to home. He was a very businessman, a very popular businessman in the Mumbai, and a railway cop means a security or a police officer, police constable. When this incident happened, so Baleshwar Mishra taken to the Roma College to admitted in the hospital. For that time, the police officer comes to the cop helped to the Baleshwar Mishra to save the life of the Roma colleges. So thus third or fourth character, and one of the important character of that truck driver. He was a Gujarati, and he was a very good in helping nature. So when there was an hit by the there was an accident happened in the railway track when Baleshwar Mishra to convey for the to help me. So no one can also stop them on the road, but that Gujarati Tamil truck driver was very good in nature. She was a very kind-hearted fellow. So he is also a very kind-hearted fellow. So he stopped and to help to take his own truck to the hospital for immediately. So this is to helpful for the why the girl was safe in that accident. That is, these are all the characters comes in the lesson. There is Kalpaki. These are all the introductory concepts of the Kalpaki track. Let's you are put to the lesson, put the textbook and I read the lesson. Listen carefully and find out the difficult words. Yes, let's see. Start read the lesson. Yes, listen. The chapter second. The title of the lesson is "Where is Girl by the Track." This lesson was composed by the Devan Kalan. So nobody dared to go where these youngsters did. So first paragraph. So dare here courage. Sometimes our children have courage. So we save anyone's life, we appreciate it, we are batted that balls. So this is helps to the create the good habits of in our children, and they are very famous, very familiar in the area also. So that as the Mumbai suburban electric train made its 22nd 6.5 6:32 p.m. p.m. means post meridian. Halted a station. Commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in and around India's most populated, regular and irregular, populated, unpopulated, metropolis. Metropolis means metropolitan cities. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies compartment. Here in the railway, there are several compartments: AC coach and then ladies coach and then and these are the coaches and third class coaches. So there are reserves for the females. So 21 years old girl, call center executive Roma Thalraj. Here who the girls was hit by the railway accident, met with the railway accident. His name was Roma Thalraj. Who was Roma Thalraj? Roma Thalraj was a 21 years old girl. So she was, what happened? She met in a railway accident and laying in the pool of blood. Tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma jumped between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed, lost her tenacious foothold and panicked. Tenacious means very fast and jumped, stuck with her. Her hands reached for a steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The cluttering roar of the train muffled the thud of her fall on the ground. More than a meter below, she was knocked senseless. So here senseless means unconscious. So why she was unconscious? She was hit by the railway and she was thrown a 1 meter, more than 1 meter below. So she was unconscious. Standing near the door of another train, speeding in a opposite direction. So we know that 20 years old Baleshwar Mishra, here the second character, the main personality, couldn't believe what he had just seen. A young woman in the black salwar kameez laying next to the track. Meanwhile, gasp and scream emanated from his compartment. There is girl by the track. The voice cried out. Here, underline the word. There is girl by the track. Voice, where the voice was cried out. Yes. Impulsively, Baleshwara went to the guard and train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. The train screeched, slowing down. He then survived the compartment full of worry faces. Let's go and help her, he shouted. But nobody voluntarily, afraid and greeting involved of being inconvenienced perhaps. So his heart hammering his chest, Baleshwara shoved herself into the door and jumped off on still moving train. As she landed on the ground, a burst of pain shot up his uncle, but there was no real damage. He got up to find part of his old rubber slipper's sole torn off as a result of his fall. But Baleshwar started to sprint back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again. He disappeared. Baleshwar was so far away from Roma he couldn't see her. I hope I am not too late, he thought, gasping for breath. After returning for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the tracks. Behenji, aap theek hai? She asked. Behenji means, sister, are you ready? Are you okay? Yes. But there was no response and no help in sight. There was alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart from these, apart in Thane district, with borders of the Pune. Here is the city of Pune. Here is the city of Mumbai. There is how many kilometers? 5 kilometers between from two stations. In between, the girl was hit by and met an accident, met a railway accident. She was laying on the track and she was in the pool of blood. So Baleshwar could see gold flowing out of the glass behind the young woman's head. Saying a silent prayer, he gifted the 5 foot to 50 kilometers Roma gingerly and made his way across the tracks. Looking out of trains, she searching for a way out. He crossed through some shrubbery and followed the direction of the sounds until he found the road. My sister is injured, he implored motorists who drive by, please help me take her to hospital, but no one stopped. Yes, students, so this is a very compassionate lesson in 10th standard. Now I will start to this lesson. Tomorrow I will continue the lesson. Thank you, Anita.